Hi everybody. Just doing an update this week on the kits I'm still building. Slowly, when I got nice weather outside to do the gluing outside. A little bit of progress on the Delta Dart and the Spitfires, both of them. So here we are. Let's have a look.
Right, so we've got the little bit of work I've been doing on this underside missile rack. Got those two parts stuck on. Unfortunately, I've gone and lost something which goes across there and down into these two holes, so I lost a part. This part here is lost. Never mind, I can make that if I bit of trial and error with a bit of rod. I can make two little rods for that. Other small parts I've been gluing is the underneath the part, the sort of bracing sort of V part out of the undercarriage there. This V shape or Y shape is had to be added on. A bit tricky, but just a tiny bit of glue either side and pop it on. Both twice. Alright, the actual kit was a certain shade of grey, but I thought it was too bluish. It's light ghost grey, so I wanted a more lighter, more standard aircraft grey. So I found the Humbrol number 167. That's the shade I got for that now. Progress of that, and I've also put the air brake on. Unfortunately, it's in two parts and they don't quite meet up. If I can get that focus, I'll show you. There we are. So there's the two halves of the air brake. I didn't want to have it open because there's no thing to show that it's to open it. There's no like hydraulic bars, rods, whatever. But there's a little bit of a gap here between the two, so I'm going to have to get a peg and glue these together and hold it together like that. So that's the plan when it's next time a nice day. And here we are with the Spitfire update. I've got the two wingtips on, and I've got the tail and the rudder on. That's pretty much all it is. I got the that'll focus. I'll show you the. No, it doesn't quite do it, is it? Anyway, it's the right place, and there's some progress. I'm not in a rush with this. Get this done by the end of the month of April, whenever the weather is. But I've only had one day of good weather this week, so that can go to one side. I've also been working on the old Spitfire Mark 9. I'm trying to rebuild. Now I've got the tail plane on the back of there, but
So that's what I've been doing this week. And actually, I haven't got it on the wall, but what I did when I built the Spitfire, which I'm rebuilding, the broken one, I framed the instructions for the colour callouts and the decals, which is a bit odd, but I like the look of it. So that, if I put the light on, you see it better. That's the Spitfire I'm trying to repair. And as you can see, it's a Mark 9, so you got the 4-blade propeller there, which I haven't got. So as I said in the video, I'm going to be trying different methods of mixing and matching for that one. But just thought I'd show you that because just show you in it, you know. Also, I want to give a thank you and a call out, as they say, shout out to I know all the jargon you say to Algie Yates, I think his name is. Yeah. Anyway, Flying Cub, KUB. It was his channel. Is his channel, and he's making a 1/35th scale Fiesler Storch, the World War II Germans stall aircraft, and he's going to make diorama as well, which is a lot more than I ever do. So if you want to, I'll link to his channel somewhere by here, and give him a little check out. He's a good chap, and usually builds one scale airplanes. He's a engineer and a very accomplished. Used to work for the in the RAF with Jaguars and things, and he's a good chap, decent egg, as they say. And yeah, give him a check out and look at his channel as well, and say, "Oh, Robert Payne said that you've got a good channel," so I came to look at it, and there we are. So thanks for watching again this week, and I'll try and get something done again by next week so I can show you some progress. Getting to the stage now where it's more to do with getting the underside done, which needs a lot more concentration and thought, and somewhere better to leave the models to gas off. So I may slow down a bit, or I may start some other kits, because you don't have to start them in order. You see, that's a sneaky secret about model making. You don't have to do it all at the same one after another. You do two at a time or three at a time, as long as you remember where you've been and what you've done last. That sort of thing. Anyway, so waffled enough, I think. Look at that bright light behind me. It doesn't like a J.J. Abrams film, isn't it? Can I get it to lens flare? Can't get a lens flare, really, can we? Anyway. That's like if you. I went a bit for expensive, didn't I? No, I'm in danger of going with Frankie Howard as well. No, don't, no, there's no, hey, no, this is no, totally not. I'll probably edit all this out, or not. Gotta find fun where I can, don't I? Wiggling glasses. I'll get to it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves this week.